Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, let's tap into the spotlight with Daniela from Katsei's iconic 2025 VMA's outfits, recreated in Dress to Impress. So if you want to know how I built Daniela's glamorous red carpet look, you can just watch this video. Now let's just get started. So to start here, I'm going to show you the hair that I use for the look. So I'm using the bangs from this curly hair and combined with this wavy hair in here. And I'm adjusting the rotate on X into 51 for this wavy hair. And also for this one right here, I'm not changing anything. And for this curly hair, you can change all the color to black and adjust the scale to 60. And the position Y42 and the Z48. Now let's just make the outfit. So first you're going to put on this one piece, this dress in here. Change the color into silver or light gray and make the material glitter. So it will become like this. Now put on the gloves, remove the fur, change the color into black. Now go here and so I'm putting on this necklace, and here is, you can use the toggle it into number 2 like this. Now I'm going to wear these long earrings in here, and again use the adjustment. So change the position Z into 44 and rotate into 54 on the X. Okay, grab this purse and change all the color into black, and you can change the material into silk. So for the shoe, I'm going to wear these heels and just remove the ribbon. Can go now to the dressing room in here and put on this dress, but toggle it into top like this and change the material into glitter and make the color gray. Now use this one for the accessory. Change the color and also go to the petal updates and use this bottom. Choose the same color like the previous beads in here. Next, I'm going to put on the eyelashes. Toggle it into number 8. And here use the adjustments. Change the position Y into 49 and the Z also 49. And that's it. So now this is the final look of Daniela for VMAs in 2025. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.